Ka Dorbar Mang Tyngka Jong Jylla kala Sdang ha ka Sautri Ulber. Ha ka ba ulat ka Jylla Satyapal Malik ula ajing keren kerpang ha ka ni Sngi Sdang Jong ka Dorbar halor ki babun kimat ki ba ka sarkar Jylla kala Shiphew bat kum juru ka tmu ban le mentau snem. Ulampang ka Dorbar uba met ba lengdo rengkat bat menteri rang ba ka Jylla konrat ke sangma bat unong elam kaliang persya udok temukul sangma kila pediang ye ulat ka Jylla ubalawan ban ajing keren kerpang ha ka yin Dorbar thawang ke Jylla. Haba keren hapok ke Dorbar ulat ulaong ba ka sarkar Meghalaya kala phai khmat bha na ka benta ban kentiu ke rukom im ke jugi pat ba ka Jylla bat khamtam ha ka ban kentiu kaliang ka kot ka khya ba ka puli puthi bat ru ban mang pisa khambun ha ki kampen roi kum ke jing Sngi ki surok ki jing king ki boarding electric bat ka umbam umdi Satyapal Malik ulaong ba ka jinglong jingman ha ka Jylla menta kalong ka ba jai Watla kala dan ke jing penbethai bom IED hapok kanong ba shalong da ke jing temu ban penthut ya ka song san. Ulaong ba la Shiphew lor ka ni ke jingja ha ka ba ki pulik la yo ban kem ya ki bri ke badan ti. Nalor ka ni ulaong ba ka HNLC kala pha da ke jing tho asya ka sarkar Jylla ka bala penpaw ya ke jing terang ban ya keren klem ke jing bu kendon. Bat ka sarkar kala pediang sobha ya ke ni ke jing terwa bat kala pha ru da ke jing tho sya ka Ministry of Home Affairs. Ban peniak sakmat ekani kakam.
I'll now enumerate the policies, programs and initiatives implemented by the different departments of the state government. The safety of citizens, peace and security are necessary for development. During 2021, the overall law and order situation in the state was peaceful. There were very few incidents of IED blast triggered in Shillong city where attempts were made to disturb the peace. However, the situation was addressed and police acted swiftly and effectively to arrest the culprits involved. All national days were observed in a befitting manner, keeping in mind the 75th year of independence of our country and 50th year of statehood. All social, cultural and religious festivals were celebrated with traditional fervor and gaiety. The HNLC has written to the state government expressing its willingness to unconditional talks within the framework of the Constitution of India. The state government welcomes this move and has written to the Ministry of Home Affairs to take this process forward. This is a major development towards bringing about lasting peace in the state, and my government is committed to ensure that the peace talk reaches its logical conclusion.
Ulat ka Jylla ulaong ba ka sarkar kala Shiphew na ka bentaban penbet nyo ia ka jing ka jay uput usam hapadeng ka Jylla Assam bat Meghalaya. Bat na ka bentaban wanra ia ka jingsuk bat ban kentiu ia ka roi kaman jog kinong song ki basa ha khaput. Ulaong ba ha kini kinriu banai ki bala dem menteri rang ba Jong ka Assam bat ka Meghalaya kilai kenduk bunsin bat shim ya karai ban penbet nyo swai uput usam jong kinriu tili ki jaka ha ka banengkong. Satyapal Malik ula keren ru ha ka beidei bat ka puli puthi ka kot ka khya ka kamrep kamriang ka rijing ri ki ri dok ha ka kam jungok kai perthei ka border area development public work department public health engineering ka tanat penmi boarding bat kiwe.
My government is committed to resolve the long pending border dispute between Assam and Meghalaya to assure peace and development for our citizens living in border areas. Towards this goal and with a firm resolve to end this dispute, the chief ministers of both the states have had several meetings in the last 6 months, wherein it was decided to first take up 6 of the 12 areas of differences: Tarabari, Gijang, Hakim, Boklapara, Khanapara, Pilangata and Ratachera. The regional committees headed by cabinet ministers have made field visits and joint inspection for these 6 areas. Their counterpart regional committees from Assam. They also consulted with the people living in the villages, the traditional heads, district councils and all other stakeholders. Both the Chief Ministers of Assam and Meghalaya met the Union Home Minister on 20th January 22 in New Delhi. Further, a memorandum of understanding was signed by both the Chief Ministers on 29th January 22 in Guwahati, which has been sent to the Ministry of Home Affairs for further examination. We are confident and hopeful the border issue in the 6 areas of difference will be resolved very soon.